everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to sign up Zoom account. So for that, first of all, you open a Google browser on your PC and then click open new tab. You can use any browser for this process. So once you open the browser, on the search bar you need to type in zoom.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official web page of Zoom. On the official web page, you need to move your mouse cursor to the sign up over here at the right side of your window screen. Click on that. Now before you create your account, you will need to verify your age. Type in the birth year and then click on continue. Now type in the email address. You can also sign up Zoom with SSO, Apple, Google or Facebook. But here we're gonna go with the email process. Type in the email address and then click on continue. Now a code will be sent to the email address of yours. You need to go and check that code out and then you need to type in that code over here on the text box. You can directly click on open Gmail over here. There's the code from Zoom. Click open that. Now you just need to copy this code from here and paste it over here. Then click on verify. This will verify your email address for the Zoom account. Now you will need to provide other personal details over here. That is your name. Type in your last name. Type in the password. Retype the same password. And then click on continue. And just with that, you have created yourself a Zoom account. So this is how you can easily create Zoom. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.